All right, crew, we finally made it, and we'll be displaying the 1999 KX250 Splitfire build at the Legends and Heroes Tour. Stay tuned. You know you're excited when you just sit at a green light. There it is. Okay, here early, just dropped the bike off. There's a lot of organizing that the team has to do here to get it all set up. I'd like to eventually take it over to the Pro Circuit tent, take some pictures with it too, but now we wait. Got the truck parked, back at the tent. Let's see where she's at. There we go. Beautiful. Already stole the bike from the Legends and Heroes tent, so we're walking over to the Monster Energy Pro Circuit right now. Hopefully to get some pictures with the team and Mitch Payton. Hopefully they let me in. Hopefully I'm qualified. Ricky's 125. We're stealing all the bikes from the Legends and Heroes Tour, so we got him over at the Pro Circuit tent. Just spoke with Mitch a little while ago, but yeah. Hope we get pictures together here.
Look! Oh my gosh! This is good. I got that.
So are you going to be shooting a video when Mitch gets the bike? Monday? Seat cover, and then one guy do like the graphics. Like I have the products to get in my seats back.
No, you're good. You're good. It's actually my bike. You can check it out. I'm taking a video of you checking it out. Yeah.
That exact same bike. No, that's an 04. I haven't seen that since
Hey, Michael. that was an epic time at Legends and Heroes at A2. We've got the truck. It's time to get packed and into the stadium. So met some really cool people. Nick, Shane, got to talk to Rooster, Green Machine, Ronan. So there it is. Hope to see everybody at Nashville for Legends and Heroes. Let me tell you, there's way nicer bikes in this pit area than my bike. I'm just honored to be able to share the experience with everybody here, and hope everybody enjoyed the bike as well. So if you guys are at Nashville, that is the plan, to be at Nashville Legends and Heroes. Hopefully some people on the East Coast can see the bike. So if you guys live in that area, hope you can make it, and we'll see you there. As always, ride hard, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.